Hello friends, this is Aditi and welcome to our channel Art Crumbs. As you all know, Earth Day is here, so here is a very beautiful and a simple drawing for Earth Day in which we are going to show how to save Earth. So let's begin. First of all, take an A4 size drawing sheet and draw a circle of around 6 cm radius. उसके बाद we have to draw the hands on the top so that we are showing that we are protecting the earth and it is our responsibility to save Mother Earth. यहाँ पर सर्कल बनाने के बाद we have drawn two hands here. If you want, you can also write messages in these leaves which I have drawn. Now let's draw the symbol of reduce, reuse and recycle in the center of the earth here. और अब बारी है मेरे फेवरेट पार्ट कलरिंग की, जिससे हमारी ड्राइंग में लग जाते हैं नए चार चांद. सो नाउ वी आर यूजिंग हियर लाइट ग्रीन एंड द डार्क ग्रीन. वी विल बी डूइंग सम इफेक्ट्स so that the drawing comes out brighter. Keep watching till the end to see the final look and also to know all the tips and tricks that we have used for this coloring. as you all can see now, the drawing is almost ready. I hope that you enjoyed watching this drawing. If you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe and share this drawing with your friends. Also, let me know what did you like the most about it and how you are going to contribute to save Mother Earth. Also, if you have any competition, I can help you with that. You can also mail me on my Gmail ID artcrumbsforyou@gmail.com and follow me on my Insta ID. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye. Happy Earth Day to all of you.